So guys, ito na. Dinikit ko na yung copper para diretso na lang. 0.2 copper, 0.2 nickel strip by 10. Power level at first pulse is 50. The second pulse is 70. And then subukan kong continuous. I start from 5 spot continuous non-stop kung iinit pa yung traces dito. Ito po yung discharge traces or bus bar. So continuous pour. The temperature is still cool. Still good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 continuous. Hindi minute. Hindi, maganda ang resulta. Ngayon hindi makita, kailangan ramdamin mo yung tigas kasi baka tatagos, just like my previous video, at mas malakas to na settings kumpara sa my previous video na tumagos yung yung tips, ending pin. So continuous. The temperature rise. Ramdam ko na. Pero hindi tulad ng dati. Napakainit. 1 round. Ayan, diretso. Uminit yung battery, which is normal, but mas maganda kung i-relax. So guys, my next video, ito na mga gawin ko. Lagyan ko ng copper. Ito. Tapos, yung natili ko kasi lagpas, kung ganon lagpas, tapos kung straight naman lagpas siya dito, sayang. So ito na lang, strip 0.2 din to, 0.2 by 10 mm. Ito pure nickel strip 0.2 by 10 mm. Yung battery na to 21700 Elysian 10C. Bawat cell kayang mag-discharge ng 40 amp based sa description. So this is 14P, let's assume 30 amp max continuous, 14P, then 300 400 amp ang kayang ma-discharge dito. So kaya nga po nilagyan ng copper para masubukan ko ang lakas ng battery na to. That's my next video, and for now, fixing this battery by adding copper strip. So kapag gumawa ng battery guys, dapat calculate yung ampere ng bawat nickel strip at i-match or add 20% extra from the battery. For example, 100 amp, so dapat yung nickel strip kaya mag-handle up to 120 amp. So see you in my next video guys, and thank you for watching.